On segment AD, AB is equal to CD. What is the length of segment AD? So we have that segment AB is equal to CD, and we have given this segment is equal to that. They are the same. So we have given that segment AB is given by this expression 4x minus 9. So we can substitute AB by expression 4x minus 9. And CD is given by expression x plus 3. So we substitute CD by x plus 3. We have equation with one unknown x. We will move expressions with x to the left and numbers to the right. So we have 4x minus x is equal 3, negative to the other side, so we positive 9. 4x minus 1x, so this is 3x, is equal 9 plus 3 is 12. Now we will divide both sides by 3. 3 and 3 will reduce, and we have that x is equal 4. We found the x. So now we can find the length of segment AD. We see that AD segment is what? Is AB plus BC plus CD. So this is equal AB is equal to CD. So we can write that we have what? 2 times AB segment plus BC. Why? Because AB is equal to CD. So I can write that this is 2AB and we have to add BC. And what now? 2 times, and we have that AB is given by this expression, so we have 2 times 4x minus 9. BC is x, so we have plus x, so this is equal. We found that x is 4, so now we will substitute x's by 4, so we have 2, and in parentheses we have 4 times 4 minus 9 plus 4. So this is equal 2 times 4 times 4 is 16 minus 9 is 7 plus 4. So this is equal 14 plus 4. So this is 18 units. We found the length of segment AD is 18 units. This is my solution.